super pumped today, getting in the fall and spooky spirit. I don't know why it's still gonna be 82 degrees today, but you know what? I'm excited about that. I'm headed in to work. I've packed up my car. I have the Jenga blocks, and I've got all of my old lady stuff and my gigantic dice, whatever, it's early. And I'm gonna go in. I do have to print out some question cards for later this week, and then I want to drop off all of the pre-referral intervention forms to the teachers that are going to be doing them, because I got all of that paperwork together on Friday. And then this week we have a bunch of student support team follow-ups that I have to do from way back when in August, and that already feels like a million years ago. So I have a few follow-ups with that. We have a couple of meetings this week, and then today I think we actually have an SST meeting for a new student. I don't know. I got invited to it. I've never heard of the student before, and I think it says it's like a new transfer, so we shall see. I don't even know if they get speech or not, but we'll find out. So, very excited for today, and I don't know, I'm feeling much better today than I did last week, so that is a plus. Last week was just like a funky week, I guess, you know, some weeks you're in it, some you're not, and last week was not a week that I was in it, but I'm in it now. Hopefully all of the kids are super into everything. All of the hints that I dropped, throughout the past few weeks, they've all seemed super, into all of the activities that I've mentioned. And I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that everybody enjoys everything today and this week. So, we will see. I'll check in with you guys when I get to work. Alright, so I just got into work. Sorry if you can hear the space heater cranking. It's freezing by my standards. I just dropped off a bunch of stuff in the pony because I have a ton of stuff that I did Friday that has to go out to social services, or special services, at the other building, so we put all that stuff in. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to set up for today, and also where I'm going to hide that Jenga kit, because I don't want the kids to see it. I'm going to set up for the day, and I will let you guys know how my first sessions turn out with my kiddos. Okay, I pushed the table out of the way and I set up our squares, and we are going to play on the floor. I decided to do that because I feel like it'll just help not get the dice everywhere. That was super successful. Honestly though, it takes so much longer than I thought. Everyone is super excited about it, so hopefully it continues on. I'm prepping now because we are going to be doing There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Bat with my preschool class. I'm about to head over there, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. I did want to show you guys the pieces that I have for the story. So we've got our bat, our bone, our goblin, the wizard, the cat, the star. This is Bo, the ghost from the storybook that I made last year, but I just printed him out because I did need a ghost. Luckily, at some point, I put time and effort into making an owl, and I was able to print him off for the owl in our storybook. Our book reading went pretty well, although I did lose the goblin. He was on the floor of my office, so we did have to go on a scavenger hunt to find him. I will check in with you guys this afternoon though, because that is when I'm pulling all of my Arctic groups for some more roll a monster, make a monster fun. We have made it to the end of the day, so I'm very excited. I don't know if you can tell, but my last group that did the make a monster activity had to leave abruptly because I misjudged the time and we went over. So I have to clean up this room because there are quite a few pieces just laying around. So I'm going to do that, and then I just finished up my last push-in activity for There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Bat with the Tier 3 class next door. But like I said, I am going to clean up now because it is almost time for dismissal. I have to do my log notes for that class, and then my friend actually called me or texted me, she didn't call me, and said that we are meeting up with a bunch of people at 4 o'clock at Applebee's, and that is like music to my ears because I am so unbelievably hungry. Let's get this mess cleaned up. Now that I am thinking about it, we're probably not going to do this version of it just because the kids seem to be having so much fun with just the pre-made pieces, and we are crunched for time as it is if anybody wants to do that, but honestly the kids didn't seem to be as into this as I thought they would be, so that's totally fine. Also, I have to take down these apples and give those back to the students so they can take them home. I'm going to end today's vlog here because I'm just going to finish up some paperwork and then get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are enjoying these shorter daily vlog type videos. I'm going to be doing as many of these as I can or that I think are interesting, as long as it's not super repetitive. But definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to follow me along on this journey. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So, bye!